are stuck in a situation wherein your SP does not confess to you, and to be honest, like, it could save you from a lot of things and he just confessed, and in uh, like he could have saved the time which is being wasted by the family on finding some other prospective people who you know that you are not gonna marry, because you know the truth about manifestation, you know the truth about God's promises and everything else. But people do not understand from that perspective, especially people who are too practical on the logical sense, right? So how do you approach that kind of situation when you are stuck in such a situation where your SP is not fully owning to the truth, and you want him to confess so that he can save a lot of trouble from, so where he can save you from a lot of trouble, so in that case, how do you approach this kind of situation? So my strategy would be to have inner conversation about your situation. Okay, so if you keep on saying that my SP does not confess, my SP does not confess, so that itself is a full manifestation that you are prophesizing this, that your SP is not confessing, and that is what will keep repeating in your reality because you keep on saying that. So what can you do? So mentally you can hear him say that, I told your mom everything, I want to marry only you, you're already mine, everyone knows it now, I never held back because I love you too much to lose you. So you could have this kind of conversation instead of saying here and there that he's not confessing. I know that it would be very triggering to say these kinds of things, especially when the 3D is showing opposite circumstance. Everybody else is saying that okay, we are not getting any prospective matches, so we would find what to say, like, we would try to put her in a different source so that we can get some matches or something like that. But I know that can be triggering, especially when you are so devoted to manifesting the reality which you want with your SP. But at the same time, if you keep complaining about it, it would grow even more painful, because you are still reinforcing the reality which you do not want. So in that case, how would I approach my situation? So we can make affirmations for the final reality, like, my SP confesses his love and desire to marry me to my parents with pride. My parents support only my marriage with my SP. Every other option dissolves. Only our union stands strong. My world aligns with our love story becoming official. Say it as if it's already done. You should not do it like, it would happen someday. Nahi. I mean, no. Okay, so you have to do it in the present tense, not in the future tense, and you have to feel that relief. And if sometimes what happens is that sometimes we are too much into that 3D reality, and sometimes we might not be able to feel anything at all. So in that case, you still can, just robotically affirm it as if like you're a robot and you're gonna do this. Okay, so also there is one more thing. So I have seen this happening, because it with my SP I have seen this happening. So what is that? I used to get very irritated when he said some things which is not him in front of my mother, just to push me away, and in front of me, like, the real him. But the thing is, the problem is I was reinforcing this, and that is why he was showing two different faces of him. Okay, he was not intentionally doing it, but he was trying to mirror what I am projecting and what my mom is projecting. So I communicated it to him directly, that if you support me, you are indeed supporting my mother. But if you try to support her in a different way, trying to calm down her anxieties or worries in a different way by trying to push me away, you are actually creating more problems for her, because I will not be at peace, and if I am not at peace, my mother will also be not at peace. I mean, it's kind of understood, he should understand it on his own, but sometimes people might not be able to understand, or whatever it is, like. So in that case, you just have to tell yourself that, see, this happens, but you have to make it a point that you do not carry two different versions of your SP in your mind, because if you carry two different versions, he will also be mirroring you that ways. Okay, now you can reimagine the moment where he didn't admit it, and now you can replay it in your mind like this, like, For example, he looked into your mom's eyes and said, or he messaged your mom that I love her, I want to marry her, please support us. And you can keep on repeating this for like 5-7 minutes, okay? And uh, so sometimes what will happen, don't fear. Like this was an advice given from someone. I would not want to list that person out, but this was advice given by someone. So don't fear if your mom is searching for other options, because that's just the 3D playing catch up. So you can repeat this. No other proposal stands. Only our marriage is divinely protected and destined. The universe blocks every door except the one that leads to him. So that's all. You don't have to do anything else, and you just have to persist. You just have to stand still. So there's a verse in Bible which says that be still and know that I am God, which means you have to be still in this present moment. You have to be quiet in this present moment, knowing that God is supporting you no matter what you do. So that's the thing. Okay, thank you.